mau waktu makautan login or switch accounts on ShortNote, lesson banwa 100%. You can directly open the ShortMax app. To log out, you can select the profile. Well, once you have done that, you can select settings, then choose logout. Now confirm this. If done, you have logged out. Usually when logging in, it automatically uses the registered account. But there's a trick. Hold the app info. This is for logging in. Clear cache. If you want to switch accounts too, clear data, then force stop. Then just open the app and log in again. And now select profile, then log in with what you have. I use Google, choose Google, like this. Okay, now it logs in directly or creates an account. Now it's done, log in again. Okay, that's how you do it. Subscribe if the video is helpful.